Hey double majors, welcome back to my channel. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppington? I am so nervous for today's vlog. Well, first of all, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Brelynn. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, that way you don't miss a notification from me, and follow me on my social media. Now, you guys know that for a minute now, I feel like I have been trying to do this natural hair journey thing. Well, I mean, trying a little bit. I've been slowly pulling myself away. Just a quick, brief overview of my natural hair journey. Since like the first grade, I've worn my hair in press and curl. So I was very used to being a straight natural. When I was in the 6th grade, my mom tricked me and she was like, oh, I could do this thing to your hair to where it'll stay straighter longer and you can do press and curls and like roller sets and stuff without having to go every 2 weeks. You can go like every 3 weeks. You can have more time for dance. And I was like, oh, that's a great idea. I love that. She put the perm in my hair, y'all. So I had a perm from 6th grade up until 10th grade. After that, I transitioned my hair. Up until that point, I literally was just wearing my natural hair. Obviously, I never really did anything to it. I just wore my hair down, straight, side part, sometimes middle part. It was very like normal, regular thing, but I loved it. I didn't see anything wrong with it. When I transitioned my hair from a relaxer to natural, I started wearing quick weaves because I didn't really know what to do with my hair. Like I couldn't straighten it. I didn't really know what to do. At this time, my mom was still doing my hair. Then it got to a point where my hair was fully natural, but I didn't know how to do it. I had never really seen my hair fully curly where I was taking care of it, and I just continue to wear weave. I would just get traditional installs and I would have a lot of leave out. By the time I went to college, I really found my thing, which was to get kind of like naturally curly hair like this and then let my natural hair on top of it basically blend in. And I wore my hair like that up until about the end of my sophomore year, where I started to play with different styles. I believe my junior year is when I first got a closure. I got a closure, ended up falling in love with it because at this point I got tired of wearing curly hair and I wanted to try straight hair. I started to do that a little bit, to the point where I ended up slowly getting into wearing frontals. And I wanted to wear frontals because at this point I wanted to wear my hair light. Now, it's been a minute since you guys have seen me with dark hair, because you guys know for the past like 2.5 years, I normally wear my hair in like a honey blonde color. Everybody always asks me why I wear that color. I just like it. I think it makes me look pretty. I feel like it's a good representation of my personality. It's bright. It helps me stand out. I don't like normal black hair like everybody else has. I like something different. But I wasn't really trying to bleach my own hair, which is why I've kind of been like stuck now with full frontals and wigs, because as you guys can see, my natural hair is black. So I've been slowly trying to pull away. I've been wearing braids more and taking care of my natural hair. And today I'm gonna get my first silk press and I'm gonna see what my hair looks like straight. Again, I really haven't worn my own natural hair straight since I had a perm. There was one time where I did get it straightened. I believe it was in between 2017 2018. It was like for the New Year's, but honestly I should have known that that was a scam. I literally had to go with my hair washed and blow dried, and she really just like flat ironed it, and I remember not liking it. I felt like my hair was really thin. In general, I have very low density hair, so my hair looked thin. She didn't cut my end, so I felt like you could see through it. I just, you know, coming from wearing weaves and wigs into wearing like your natural hair is a big difference, and I was very like, I hate this. And I feel like I may not like this either, but my hair just has so much shrinkage, and so I don't really enjoy wearing it naturally curly because I just like big long hair. And so I want to see if maybe I like it straight. I wouldn't mind being a straight natural. Like I love my curls, but I don't know, I'm trying to figure out something, you guys, because I want to wear my natural hair and I want to love it. So today I'm going to a new salonist here in Raleigh. I'm going to try her out. I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I'm going to be getting a deep condition, a blowout, and a trim, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me so we can update each other on where my hair is at right now after like 2 years not straightening it. Well, I mean, I blow dry it basically every time I put in an install, but you know, I haven't really gotten it like pressed out. So I'm going to take off this ponytail and head to my appointment, and I'll talk to you guys there. Bad news, I'm running late once again. I'm also making this drive with literally 0 gas in my tank, so I'm really pushing it, but I don't want to stop and get gas and be even more late than I already am. That's one thing that I really don't like about my car. It doesn't show me how many more miles I have to drive with it being on E. So I know that it's on E, but I'm just gonna push it. I got 4.7 miles to go. I hope I make it. can talk and do whatever you want.
So we're gonna trim throughout right through here. It goes a little bit at a curve, and then we're gonna go in through the mid part and get her ends through there as well. It's not bad, it's just need to be done. So you gotta see it.
I am back home. Please excuse my face and my makeup. It is late at night. It's been a long day, but I wanted to go ahead and close out the vlog and give you guys a final look at my hair and tell you all how I like my appointment and all of that good stuff. So you saw how my hair looked before she cut my ends. I think that it was a pretty good length. It definitely already had like this kind of shape to it, and so she kind of just continued to cut in that line, and I think now my ends look really good. She said that my overall hair health was about a 7 out of 10, which I feel like is not that bad for me to have not got my ends trimmed in like 2 years. This is again like what my hair looks like. So I forgot how like smooth and soft my hair is when it's straightened. Like it is so soft, which is something that I really do like about it. This is what it looks like now. I feel like, I don't know, it's so weird to see myself with my hair like this. I feel like I look like the president's daughter or something. Like I feel very like all-American, you know, because I mean this is just like how normal people wear their hair. So yeah, I'm gonna pin curl it tonight. I know I'm like the flexi rock queen, so pin curls are not my forte. Hopefully they don't turn out crazy. My hair is like pretty fine, so it's usually really hard for my hair to hold a curl. So I'm gonna try. If it doesn't work out, I'm just gonna wrap it. I'll probably end up wrapping it after a week or so. Review on my hairstylist. I will leave all of her information down below. Her name was Asia. I really enjoyed my time with her. I think that she was very gentle. She was really fast. Honestly, she did a great job of like walking me through everything. Like, okay, I'm putting this kind of conditioner in your hair and it's gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna go over here for a second because I have a client. I'm gonna leave you under the dryer for 5 minutes, then I'll be back. Like, she did a very good job, which I feel like is super important when you're a hairstylist. Like, sometimes people just be doing things and then you'd be like, what's going on up there? Or dang, what's she doing? What's she gonna come back to me? I never had to worry about what was going on because she made sure that she was talking to me throughout my process, which I really enjoyed. And again, she also talked to me about the health of my hair. She let me know that she wasn't going to be able to tell me everything about my hair during this first visit. I was going to have to come back in about 4 to 6 weeks to see like how my hair has grown this last trim, to see how often I need to get my hair grown. That'll determine if I'm able to do color and how long I should go in between trims when I'm still getting my install. So overall, I'm pretty satisfied with how everything looks. This is basically how I expected my hair to look. Like, best case scenario, so I guess that is good. It's kind of really hard when you haven't seen your own hair straighten. When I watch other hair videos, like a lot of people don't have my length and my texture, so I'm kind of just like, oh, will my hair look like that? Will it look like that? I don't really remember. Will it look like that? Will it look like that? Will it flow like that? So it's cool to like play around with my hair and see how my hair acts and flows and looks and stuff. So yeah, this is her. I'm gonna be wearing her for about, well, this is me. I'm gonna be wearing me for about 2 weeks until, you know, I get my little New Year's Eve install, or really my Christmas install. You know, we're not wearing this for Christmas. This would be a super, like, hello, this is super holiday Christmas. If I wasn't going to LA, I would definitely wear this going home for the holidays. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell. I'm going to leave my post notification on the screen right now. If you are subscribed and ring a bell, then comment down below post notification gang with your @ I may shout you out in the next video. And also, I'm going to leave in the cards my last like length check, because here we are now, and I'm very curious in 2 years with me not really doing anything to my hair. I would say for the last year I was taking care of it. In the last like 6 months I've been like actually doing what I need to be doing to my hair as far as like deep conditions in between and stuff. So yeah, I'm curious to see like what the length difference is. I do feel like it's not as see-through as I remember last time. Like you can't see through my hair now, where I feel like you were able to see through it. So I think that the thickness of my hair, I think that it's thicker now than it was before. I don't know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.